Hello everybody. I am making this video for my Abundantly Blessed Crafters group on Facebook. If you would like to join, please come on. We would love to have you. Anyway, this video is to show off, I'm a show off, now show off some of the beautiful gifts that I have been sent by a couple of the members of my group. We had an ATC swap, and one of these is to show off one of my swaps, and the other one, the first one I'm going to do is the one that Jacqueline Haley sent me. She sent me this beautiful little card, and she said that this isn't a rack or abundance of blessings. It's just a sister hello. Anyway, a beautiful little card. I just love dogs. That's a precious card. Anyway, she sent me several things in this package. She sent me a beautiful flower, a puffy flower that she made with pretty bling on it and pearls. And it's one that I can use on a project of some sort, or I could probably even turn it into a pen if I wanted to. Anyway, isn't it pretty? And look at this. This is a sachet. And it is so pretty. Oh, and it smells so good. I'm not sure where I'm going to put it yet. I want to put it someplace where I can enjoy it the most. I'm thinking about slipping it into a pocket of my purse where I can smell it all the time. It has this wonderful ocean breeze scent packet in it. And oh, it is a strong smelling scent that is, oh, it's a beautiful smell. I love it. Something I wouldn't mind my whole house smelling like. Anyway, next, she sent me these beautiful little stick pins that she made. Aren't these precious? That pretty blue pearls and the little butterfly. It makes it look like an angel. Little crystals. I just love those. Those are so pretty. Okay. Next, which is last but not least, this beautiful ATC card that Jacqueline made, and she didn't think she could make ATC cards. Well, she'd never made one before. So this was definitely a challenge for her. And she definitely stepped up to the challenge. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Hey, she's better at this than I am. I'm not very good at it. But I'm learning. I'm learning. And she has made several to send to people. I don't know who all she sent them to, but I'm looking forward to seeing those as well. Okay. The next one, I'm going to move this back a little bit so those are out of the picture for now, is the ATC trade or swap that I did with one of the sisters on the Abundantly Blessed Crafters group. And that is Deb Hazeldine. I believe that's how her name is pronounced. And she made this beautiful little card. Isn't that precious? Little lady. I love ladies and girls. And I love wings. I love butterflies. And she knew that. So, she made this pretty card with a little bit of bling on it. Then you turn it over. And there's butterflies again. And this is a little pocket. And inside the pocket is a little card with my initials on it and the word friendship. Isn't that pretty? She is really good at this. This woman is she's a pro. I have a long way to go to get as good as she is. But this is wonderful. Thank you, Deb. And this isn't all. Oh, I forgot to mention the paper that Jacqueline wrapped hers in. Let me show that to you right quick. Jacqueline wrapped this stuff in some paper and a piece of lace, and I'll use these on something too. Hey, why let some pretty paper like this go to waste with all these little crowns? Now, back to the one by Deb. We've got the card, and I got the little, she sent me some, I guess this is what you'd call tassels or fringe. She sent me some gray and some white. This isn't something I've ever used to amount to anything. I've never used any of this, to be honest with you. But I'll find something to use that on. Thank you, Deb. And she sent me a pretty little card, which I discovered as I was looking through here was actually a note. And I didn't know it. I thought it was just a piece of cardstock. But look how glittery it is. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it has glitter all over it. There it is. It has glitter on it. I guess she embossed it. I don't know. But all I know is that it's very, very pretty. And let's see. Next, she sent me some buttons. She knew I like buttons. So, she had these pretty little wooden buttons she sent me. Aren't those precious? And there's some heart-shaped ones, and they all have flowers on them. Hope that glare isn't making it to where you can't see them. But they are just beautiful buttons. I'm going to find something to embellish with these soon. I love them. And then she sent me 2 little magnets and a little package of other things. 2 little magnets that are made with some little bling. They're magnets. And then this little package, which I don't know if I can open or not. Let's see. Let's see if I can get this open. Okay. Oh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? 2 different colors. It's a ribbon. Pretty. And then some silk or satin ribbon, I guess it is. So there's just a couple of pieces of that. And there's some, I can't remember what this is called. Grosbeck or something like that. Anyway, some more ribbon. Several pieces of ribbon. Anyway, it is such a beautiful little collection of items from Deb Hazeldine. Anyway, I guess that's it. Oh, there's something else. Oh, no, there's not. It was just a card. Okay. I thought there was something else that I had missed. Would be about like me to miss something. But now I have all these beautiful little things to use in my crafts. And I am looking forward to seeing what I can do with them. And these beautiful cards to add to my collection. Thank you so much, both of you ladies. I appreciate y'all. God bless you. Bye.